Ghana dear aya no memo high do about to sad na aya prophecy 1 prophecy 2 ebi mo kra the paper and as ebi mo the list ebi na bagum computer so aya feno about to mo sad aya na income share ne pa de aya na do so bebre na eye papa Isaac Ato no what dance ma ono so the prophecy e baye ya papa Tvgh ono so de ne de e behwe mu na ya papa baako eye Jesus ahofe ono so e the prophecy baaya just say a pasca prophecy amfa just say am bi ho ase papa ikrade ne e beye no prophecy nam ne kwa so ba bi a kire se eni enyan na wey na ya papa Kofi Oduro tie eni me papa kwasi prophet akwasi antwi se Ghana fu asofo yi e koma baniti ehu ana enti ye kwan nya nti e wo fi eyi ensawom e kwa asaman kase awo na ade sawa na se nyame du bedu akra na wapagya unsa na wada nyame ase Portwe sa obetutum na light ba kokran so eni kwan so bi enti Ghana asofo dia amofa kwan le so a enti mu hu ana prophet entry eni Kofi Oduro na e kan we anti mu sorry a prophecy e niti eni nine so pambo so kra ka ho ono so de ne dia be wom prophecy eni niti ni nine ko a enti Ghana mebuo ewo Ghana memu ha enti o pe so mu de niti Ghana asofo enti mu hu ana comedy enu nti mu hu ana enema boaye de nti Ghana sofo mu hu na ma professor ya ka bibi a kire nyame na nyame aye bibi afa ana se nyame asakra o mampani adwene wa ye bibi e de abeboa ne ye ho atoye na emu prophecy eni tini nai prophecy enkase prophecy aye ntro de tu so ma na na ye gere de say nsampi na ye papa Kofi Oduro so say som nende me fire so you call Alabaster Ministry International. Ni enkoti ye papa Kofi Oduro. Ni awoma yemra.
Community can say anything because the voice of the Lord is the pulpit. Of every nation, the voice of God is the pulpit. Not that assume sibe wini or bentimbe wini. We don't have time for your nonsense. Who wins? Who do we care? Who wins? We don't care. I'm telling you the truth. Then you know. What they are just is how to win election. Oh, how to win election. How to win election. And for bad roads, they don't have jobs and all that. You don't think about this. There are people at Kolebu without dialysis machines paying exorbitant fees. We don't think about it. As soon as he be winning, what kind of prophets are these? Look at the guys who come and prophesy here, speaking the mind of God. As soon as he be winning. Sorry, me and Kofi. Sorry. Yapon, stand. Sorry, there will be 200 Ghana koye juma. You can't think about this. We don't care about that. People have lost their livelihoods at Volta region from the spillage. What a reckless way of handling even this flood issue. Instead of us to care, love people, and as soon as what do we care about that? Crazy things like this. People are in a mess. Will be hotel now. How are they going to be survive? We don't think about this. I never believe that. Never. School from school. Omwa egugu eduase hono yesua de eja omu. The syllabus doesn't know say nsu afa. Mobe try the same exam. So they are losing And somebody will have to and ought to rise and declare these things. Somebody say amen. Fancy me in the good boss me a mom.
Me that's why say wo je bere etwe me. O me me why do asofo mo man ye bibi. Aya na prophecy no. Hey. Prophecy ya Papa Jesus and for my ye. Nyamente that time who is talking to you, daddy? Daddy be na nyame yi tro but one mo hom pa yin na pastor him. Ti daddy I know I careful me e kwantwa na asofo no. Best make us etiom daddy. Ni abeya na why but I na why careful no abom pa ye. Afa ho yie. Aha na Ghana fo ametua no esru ne anyew. Wo yo bi papa. No. Obatampa Travel and Express Consultancy for Eso Masin. Ekwentwa ba akra.